Dear students, teachers and parents, Andariki Namaskaram. My name is Srinivas and you are watching Sri9 Teaching YouTube channel. I hope all of you are watching my videos. So in the last videos, I made videos on the reduced syllabus of SSC 10th class syllabus for the year 2021 and 22. I hope you have watched. And also I made the videos on the model papers of SSC, that is 10th class subjects, nothing but Telugu, Hindi, English, Mathematics, General Science. Okay, in English medium as well as in Telugu medium. Now in this video you are going to watch the model question paper of the subject Social Studies in English medium. Yes, if anybody couldn't watch the previous videos, please watch them. For the videos I am going to give the links in the description below this video, so please watch them and watch this video completely and understand. If you think that this video is helpful to you, please like my video, share it to your friends and subscribe my channel, those till not subscribed. So now let us start the model question paper, that is Social Studies. Please watch on the screen part A and B. సో ఈ వీడియోలో మనం సోషల్ స్టడీస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ చూడబోతున్నాం. సో ఇప్పటివరకు నా వీడియోస్ ఎవరైనా ఇంకా చూడకుండా ఉన్నట్లయితే ఆ వీడియోస్ సంబంధించి లింక్స్ ఈ వీడియో డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తున్నాను. సో దయచేసి వాటిని కూడా, అంటే ఇంతకుముందు సబ్జెక్ట్స్, దట్ ఈస్ తెలుగు నుంచి జనరల్ సైన్స్ వరకు మోడల్ పేపర్స్ నేను చేశాను, దానికి సంబంధించిన వీడియో లింక్స్ ఇక్కడ ఇస్తున్నాను, వాటిని గమనించండి. ఆ లింక్స్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే మీరు మోడల్ పేపర్స్ చూడొచ్చు. అలాగే ఏ సిలబస్ తగ్గించారో దానికి సంబంధించిన వీడియో లింక్ కూడా ఇందులో ఇస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ పైన చూడండి, మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ పార్ట్ ఏ అండ్ బి. పార్ట్ ఏ అండ్ బి, క్లాస్ 10th, maximum marks 80, time 3 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, let us read the instructions first. General instructions: first, read the question paper carefully and understand. Okay, in all model papers I have been telling that, instructing you that you must read the question paper thoroughly. When question paper is handed over to you in the examination, please read the questions, all the questions thoroughly, and select which you can write the best. Okay, right. Now see the second one. Answer the questions under part A in the answer sheet provided, that you have to write the answers for part A in answer sheet which will be provided you. Third point, attach the map to part A answer sheet. Yes, as you know, in social studies map pointing will be there, so map pointing paper also to be attached to the answer sheet A. Now fourth point, write the answers to the questions under part B in the space provided and attach it to the part A answer sheet. Means the objective paper, after writing you have to attach it to the answer sheet, means you have to tie the objective map with the answer sheet, right? Now fifth point, part A contains 3 sections. In question paper you will be having 3 sections, section 1, section 2, section 3, right? And fifth point, that is sixth point, write the answers following the instructions given in the each section. Okay, in each section there are some instructions and follow, read them, according to that you have to write the answers. Okay, now let us see the part A. Yes, part A, marks 60. So for question paper marks will be 60 and objective paper marks will be 20. So 60 plus 20, 80 marks will be there. Okay, now see part A, time 2 hours and 45 minutes, section 1. See the instructions. There are 2 groups A and B in this section. Second point, answer any 3 questions from each group. Third point, write answers in 1 to 2 sentences. These are very short answer type questions. Okay, fourth point, each question carries 2 marks. Yes, in section 1 you will have 2 groups, group A and group B. So in each from each group you have to select 3 questions from each group. So totally as a whole you have to answer 6 questions and each question carries 2 marks. Okay, now let us read the questions. Now see group A. In group A there are 6 questions. In group B also there will be 6 questions. Okay, right. Now let us read the questions under group A. Now see the first question. Write 2 reasons for low calorie intake in India. Second question, classify sectors of economy. Third question, what are the features of the Thar desert? Fourth one, give two suggestions for the increase of groundwater in your area. Fifth question, what are the consequences of global warming at present? Sixth question, write two slogans on environmental protection. As you know that definitely the sixth type of question will be given in the examination. Okay, now here among 6 questions you have to select 3 questions in group A. Now let us read the questions under group B. Yes, seventh question, classify the two land reforms proposed by Nehru. Eighth question, what are the main reasons for discontent over non-implementation of the gentleman's agreement? Ninth one, what was the purpose of enabling act? Now see the 10th question. 10th question, which qualities do you like in Mahatma Gandhi? Why? 11th one, why are women denied of equal rights even today? 12th question, write two suggestions to prevent wars. Okay, like this under group B also 6 questions are there, you have to select only 3. Okay, so again I am telling, from group A you have to select 3 questions, and from group B you have to select 3 questions. So total 6 questions you have to write in under section A, under section 1. So 6 to the 12 marks. Now coming to section 2. In section 2 there will be 8 questions. Among or from 8 questions you have to select any 4 questions. Each question carries 4 marks, so 4 is 16 marks. Okay, see section 2 instructions. First point, answer any 4 of the following questions. Second point, write the answers in 4 to 5 sentences. Yes, here these are short answer type questions, you have to write the answers in 4 to 5 sentences. Third point, each question carries 4 marks, right? Now let us read the questions. The 13th question, what are the peninsular rivers? Explain any one. 14th question, write a letter to the concerned officer giving appropriate suggestions for the strict implementation of election code of conduct. 15th question, draw an outline map of Telangana and locate the boundaries. Okay, so here map pointing. Now 16th one, observe the following table, answer the questions given below. Here a table is given. After reading the table you have to answer the questions. 2 questions are given under table. Okay, now see the table. Net irrigated area in lakh hectares 2007. So here region is given as Andhra region, Telangana region, and wells, canals, tanks and others. Okay, see the questions under the table. A, major irrigated area in Telangana depended upon which irrigation facility? B question, how much more is the irrigated area under canals higher in Andhra Pradesh than that of Telangana? Now see the 17th question. 17. Prepare a pamphlet to bring awareness among people about the importance of organic farming. 18th question, write slogans on reduction of global warming. 19th one, give reasons for rise of regional parties today. 20th question, write some suggestions for the proper implementation of land reforms today. So like this, under section 2 there are 8 questions. So that is from 13th to 20. So you have to select any 4. So you have to attempt any 4 questions, 4 for the 16 marks, right? Now see the section 3. Here also you have to attempt 4 questions. Each question carries 8 marks. That's why 4 8s are 32 marks. Now see the instructions. There are 2 groups. Here also in section 3 also there are 2 groups, group A and group B. Under group A there will be 4 questions. Under group B also 4 questions. From each group you have to select 2. Hence 2 plus 2, 4 questions you have to write. Okay, see the instructions. There are 2 groups A and B in this section. Second point, answer any 2 questions from each group. Third point, write the answers in 8 to 10 sentences. Okay, so you have to write answers in 8 to 10 sentences, that is long answer type questions. Okay, fourth point, each question carries 8 marks. Right, now let us read the questions under group A. 21, question number, what are the influencing factors of weather and climate? Explain. 22nd, read the following paragraph and interpret. Here a paragraph is given, on that you have to give interpretation. See, I am reading the paragraph. Today, groundwater is a major source of water for people. When there is so much extraction, it affects others in connected areas. It affects the stock of water that would be available for future generations. Therefore, one can't allow individual landowners to extract as much water as they wish from their land. Okay, so on this you have to give interpretation, that is like explanation. Now see the 23rd question. Here 23rd question, pie diagrams are given. Okay, see what is the question. 23rd, observe the following pie chart and analyze it. So here we have to analyze the charts. Okay, what about the pie diagrams here? Share of different sectors in gross domestic product. So first one 1973 to 74, second one 2015 to 16. So first pie diagram is of the year 73 to 74 and second pie diagram is of the year 2015 and 16. Here in both the pie diagrams A, B, C, D, E are given. Now what is A? A is agriculture, B is industry, C is trade, hotels, transport and communication, D finance, insurance and real estate, E community, social and personal services. Okay, on this one you have to analyze. Now see the 24th, locate the following in the given map of India. What are they? First Canara coast, second Malwa plateau, third Rajamahal hills, 4 any one Himalayan river. So like this, under group A 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 means 4 questions are there, you have to select any 2. Like this, see under group B also 4 questions are there, you have to select any 2. 25th, write the differences between parliamentary system and presidential system. 26th, read the following paragraph and comment on it. See the paragraph, the economic and political changes happening worldwide since 1990s, which go by the name of globalization or neoliberalism, have deeply impacted the lives of the underprivileged and poor. Tribal people, poor farmers, landless workers, women, urban poor working in the unorganized sector, and industrial workers have been the worst hit. Yes, so on this paragraph you had to comment, right? That is about 26th question. Now see the 27th, a graph is given and that you have to analyze. 27th question, analyze the following graph. What about it is? War related deaths 1500 to 1999. So here a graph is given in between what is that, 100 years, between centuries how many deaths are there, that you have to analyze. Okay, now see the graph and understand and write the and analyzation of your opinions on this graph. Now see the 28th question, locate the following in the given world map. World map will be given on, in that you have to locate these places. First Nazism country, second Alaska, third Russia, fourth Japan. Okay, this is about this thing map point. So here with this the section 3 is also over. So as you just seen that 21st to 28 questions are there, 21, 22, 23, 24 under group A, 25, 26, 27, 28 under group B. So from each group you have to select 2 questions, total 4 questions you have to write, 4 8 is 32 marks. So with this part A is over. Now let us see the part B, that is objective paper. Yes, here objective paper, model question paper, social studies, part B, time 30 minutes, maximum marks 20. Instructions, answer all the questions. Second, choose the correct answer from the given options and write the corresponding letter A or B or C or D in the capital letters in the space provided. Third point, each question carries 1 mark. Fourth point, marks will not be given for overwriting or rewriting or erased answers. So here multiple choice questions are given. So for each question there will be 4 options, A, B, C or D. Any one answer you have to write against the in the brackets which are given against the questions. Okay. Yes, each question carries 1 mark. Total 20 questions will be there, 20 marks. Okay, and you have to take care that you should not strike or rewrite the answers. Once only you have to write neatly, right? Okay, so here I'm not going to read all the questions, just I'm scrolling. So if you want to read, just pause the video and read the questions. Okay, and also options. See here, 1 2 3 4 questions are there. If you want to read, please pause the video and read. Okay, I'm continuing scrolling up because the video becomes lengthy, that's why I'm not reading. Right, now fifth question also there. Next, here sixth to ninth questions you can read. Pause the video and read. Okay, now next 10th to 13th questions. Here also you can pause the video and read all the questions and answers or options. Now here 14th and 15th. Next coming here, yes, 16th, 17th. Yes, 16th, 17th, 18th. Okay, I am scrolling up. Here the remaining questions 19 and 20. So this is about part B, that is objective paper. With this, the model question paper is over. Yes, how is it? Yes, if you feel that this video is helpful, please like my video, share it to your friends and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. Thank you.